The Snapper XD battery-powered string trimmer combines a Briggs & Stratton 82-volt battery with a high-efficiency brushless motor to reach an exciting new level of durability and performance. Up to 25 minutes of quiet, low-maintenance runtime. With its wide 16-inch cutting diameter and multi-speed control, you can trim precisely or aggressively. A bump feed quickly advances the heavy-duty dual line, and the shaft is made of durable 1-inch aluminum tubing. The Snapper XD battery-powered string trimmer is one more innovative product from a complete line of durable Snapper handheld tools, and all are powered by interchangeable 82-volt Briggs & Stratton 2 or 4 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, allowing you to power all Snapper XD tools with just one battery, which quickly recharges, so you can mow, trim, saw, clip, and blow through your yard work like never before. The Snapper XD 82-volt lawn and garden system. One battery, multiple tools, powered by Briggs & Stratton.
Hey, I'm excited to tell you all about the Toro PowerPlex 14-inch brushless DC string trimmer. Stepping up to a brushless motor is great if you're looking for a super powerful, efficient, and long-lasting tool. So we're talking professional-grade trimmer here with gas-like performance. This string trimmer takes an extra thick 0.080-inch dual line, which translates into fast and efficient trimming. And the bump feed gives you constant control of the length of your line. The heavy-duty cast aluminum head can take a lot of punishment, especially when you're tackling the thick brush in your yard. And the variable speed trigger gives you ultimate control of your power and your runtime. I really like that the assist handle, it slides up and down to make it more comfortable for you to use. And the straight shaft folds up without tools, so you can tuck it away in small spaces or throw it in your car if you need to. With the T90 battery, you'll get up to 40 minutes of runtime, and it comes standard with a quick charger in the box. And like all the other tools in Toro's PowerPlex line, you can save some money if you've already got enough PowerPlex batteries and get the string trimmer as a bare tool. Or if you want to get up to double your runtime, there's always the T180 battery. So take charge with Toro's PowerPlex tools, only from Toro.
Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful G-Max 40-volt battery provides true gas performance and is able to power multiple tools for a complete yard system. Cover all aspects of your yard's trim with the G-Max 40-volt 13-inch cordless string trimmer with the 13-inch .065 dual line and auto feed head. The instant electric start gives you the power you need on demand. Rip through weeds and tall grass quickly and effectively Go from trimming to edging in seconds thanks to the 3-position pivoting and 90-degree rotating head design. With up to 10 times less noise and vibration than a gas string trimmer, work longer and in superior comfort. The high-performance G-Max Lithium-Ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss and is interchangeable with all Greenworks G-Max 40-volt tools, the industry's largest 40-volt system. No cords, no gas, no oil, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
Introducing BLACK+DECKER's newest line of 20-volt max lithium-ion tools, Power Command, giving you additional control of your outdoor power equipment with the push of a button. The Easy Feed String Trimmer allows you to easily and reliably feed trimmer line with the simple push of the Easy Feed button, putting control back into your hands without the hassle of bumping. With the integrated flip-to-edge feature, you'll be able to convert your trimmer into a wheeled edger that supports the weight of the trimmer for the perfect edge along sidewalks, walkways, or gardens. The new PowerCut Hedge trimmer puts added cutting control in your hands with the PowerCut feature. Combined with a 3/4-inch cut capacity, the PowerCut feature allows you to power through a tough cut or jam with the push of a button. The new Power Boost sweeper gives you more blowing speed with the addition of Power Boost. Engaging the Power Boost feature delivers a surge in performance up to 130 miles per hour for loosening stubborn debris. Operating the sweeper in non-boost mode allows for additional runtime during less rigorous tasks and more precise control in moving debris in areas like mulch-based flower beds. These Power Command tools are compatible with all of your 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, delivering power and versatility without the hassles of gas-operated tools. Easy Feed, Power Cut, Power Boost, Power Command. Command and conquer your yard.
Landscapers and contractors demand a cordless alternative to gas and corded outdoor power equipment. Makita meets this demand with an expanding line of cordless outdoor power equipment. They're powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries for 36-volt power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. These tools deliver longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The Makita brushless motor is engineered for maximum efficiency. It delivers up to 50% longer runtime per charge, and there are no brushes to replace. Both tools are equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. They're part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. Two new tools engineered to work all day with zero emissions, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero hassle with gasoline or cords.
Greenworks provides the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful 40-volt lithium-ion battery system is the industry's largest and powers over 25 tools. The cordless jet blower will reach 390 cubic feet per minute, which easily powers through all surfaces. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power. The electric start is easy to use, and it's ultra-quiet with minimal vibration. The variable speed trigger with cruise control is great for optimized airspeed control. It's 44% lighter than comparable gas blowers. Hassle-free operation. No cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
Before starting your cordless string trimmer, make sure you have eye protection, ear protection, a good pair of gloves, and closed-toed shoes. Now you're ready to work. Grab the battery off the charger and click it into place. Hold the string trimmer so the line is at your desired cutting height and pull the trigger. For the best results, move the string trimmer in a side-to-side motion. If the line stops cutting, simply use the bump feed feature on the bottom of the trimmer head to advance more line. By following these tips and safety precautions, your lawn will have a professional, manicured look in no time.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.